Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the cryptocurrency as usual on Mondays. Well, in the weekend we had really exciting discussion of the recent events, non-farm pros release, also some important moments in the United States with the new acts, government steps that they have made, and in general, especially in the gold market, it's interesting to take a look what's really going on. So partially this fundamental background also relates to the Bitcoin. As you know, the Bitcoin currently is strongly dependent from the liquidity that Fed provides. And if you'll take a look in general on the balance of the Fed, you will see that it has dropped in recent week for approximately 20-25 billions right there. In general, since the May, from the top when the quantitative tightening starts, overall holdings of the Fed has dropped for 65 billions. But at the same time, as usual, we also appeal to the deposit of the United States Treasury in the Fed. So the deposit also has dropped for approximately 50 billions. It means that the net liquidity injection in recent week was about 25 billions to the markets. From that standpoint, we do not see any liquidity drought or that actually Fed starting to drying up the liquidity. Absolutely not. It's providing more money, and it means that Bitcoin currently should feel well as well in the stock market. And additionally, on the background of the new government programs, the semiconductor support and the Inflationary Act and so on. So from that standpoint, on a long-term chart, we do not see something really special yet. So yes, market is bouncing up. And here is vital level is still held by the markets. You can see it stands above the 20 even area. That's very important, showing the pullback. At the same time, on the weekly chart, you can see that overall performance looks not very strong. So currently it's difficult to call as a reversal. So when we're dealing with a reversal, we need to see some thrusting action, something like that sort. This is difficult to call thrusting. So on the high time frame, on the monthly and the weekly, we still need to wait and see what will happen, because the changing of the Fed policy, providing more liquidity sooner rather than later, but will reach the market, and actually some reaction here should be. As we discussed in our fundamental report on Bitcoin, would not exclude chance that market could reach the 30 even or even retest these lows and strong confidence level around 36, 37. It's really probable in the medium-term perspective of the 6-9 months maybe. We'll see. Currently, it makes sense to focus only on the short-term performance. So on a daily chart, we said that we're not considering taking any short positions, and we're watching for taking long position precisely at 2240 area. We explained last time that there we have the butterfly, strong confidence support in lower time frame, and ABCD XOP target makes an agreement. And we think that this is one of the possible areas where you consider taking the long position. You can see market right now is bouncing up right from this level. From the perspective of this consolidation, if upward action will continue, it also will be bullish, just because take a look at the market takes to reversal right in the middle of the range without reaching on the lower border. This is always looks bullish. Trend has turned bullish as well by the MACD. So, and here we're watching of actually our targets around 25.50, 26, because here we have the previous lows, strong confidence area, as you can see, 26.15 to 26.33, and also this is the XOP extension on the follow time frame chart. So if market indeed is turning up here, so we're watching for the next target. That's, by the way, the target that we're talking about right there. This is XOP 25.33. So it's also enveloped with the two XOPs of this ABCD, two different patterns. It also stands at this level. You can see performance looks very nice from the predefined level that we said. And actually we have here the another pattern. So that was our butterfly, if you remember. It has been completed perfectly right there. And actually here we have the hand shoulders. So dealing with the head and shoulders, you could see that it performs well since we have extended target around 25.30 on a 4-hour time frame chart. It means that this target theoretically also should be reached because it stands lower. It's 24.61 approximately. Market currently is coming to the OP. So if you have not taken the position here with the butterfly and you have missed, then recognize the hand and shoulders here as well. Well, you could try to take the position on a pullback from the OP area. Market hits the OP, the first target 23.93.24. Chances for some bounce exist, and in this case you could try and take the position on minor retracement. It would be nice if market will stand above the neckline, so it means that the area of the neckline it might be the area that you could consider as a target of retracement, so market could retest it. Chances on further upward continuation looks not bad based on all reasons that we have just discussed. Technically here we also see some acceleration, which is also good for market performance. That's why if you have taken position based on our former analysis right there or here, just keep your position, move stops to the break even or tight closer to the market. Others wait for a pullback from the OP level. So this market hits the OP, maybe some pullback will happen, you could try to take the long position. Currently, once again, we do not consider taking any short position by far. The major risk factor on this week will be the CPI report, as you know, on Wednesday. That could bring lots of volatility, as it happens with non-farm payrolls release from the gross domestic product, because currently inflation is the factor that determines the actual Fed policy, how aggressive Fed will be with the rate change. So, but that will happen only on Wednesday. That's, guys, our view on the Bitcoin market.